In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the appointment schedule feature in Google Calendar. Whether you're managing individual meetings, coordinating team schedules, or planning personal events, learning how to efficiently use appointment schedules can simplify your life and make sure you stay on top of all your commitments. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to open Google Calendar. Head over to your preferred web browser and log into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you've logged in, navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by searching for Google Calendar in your search engine or by accessing it directly through your Google Apps. Once you're inside Google Calendar, you'll notice a plus button labeled Create on the top left of your screen. Click on this button to expand your options. Here you'll see several features, but today we're going to focus on Appointment Schedule. Click on Appointment Schedule to begin setting up your new schedule. Now comes the exciting part, filling out your appointment details. Consider what kind of appointments you're setting up. Are they personal, like lunch with a friend, or professional, like a client meeting? Begin by entering a title for your appointment. Make sure it's clear and descriptive, particularly if you plan to share this with others who will need to know at a glance what the appointment is for. After naming your schedule, you'll be prompted to select the duration for each appointment slot. This is essential for proper time management. So think about how much time you'll need for each meeting or event. Do you need a quick 15-minute check-in or perhaps a full hour consultation? Once you've decided, set the duration accordingly. Next, set the available dates and times for your schedule. This step is crucial for ensuring your appointments don't accidentally overlap with existing commitments. Carefully review your calendar to find times that won't conflict with other meetings or events you have planned. Also, consider adding buffer time in between appointments if they're back-to-back to allow yourself a little time to prepare or transition. Lastly, click Save. And just like that, your appointment schedule is ready on your Google Calendar. It's now visible to those you share it with, and they can easily book time with you based on the availability you've set. As you become more familiar with this feature, you'll find it helps keep your days organized and reduces the stress of last-minute scheduling conflicts. Utilizing appointment schedules is a powerful way to maximize your efficiency and ensure you're dedicating your energy to the things that matter most to you. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your appointments using Google Calendar. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on streamlining your digital life. See you next time.